trading wisdom to navigate operational delays and app glitches. In the commercial capital of India, Mumbai, where the stock market is as much a part of daily life as the aroma of freshly brewed chai, there lived a young trader named Raj. Raj was passionate about trading and spent hours each day glued to his computer screen, analyzing charts and executing trades. However, despite his dedication, Raj often found himself frustrated by the operational delays of the exchange and glitches in his trading app. These delays and glitches would turn his intraday and BTST trades into losses as he struggled to book or exit positions at the right time and price. One particularly chaotic day, Raj watched in dismay as a promising trade turned sour due to a sudden glitch in his trading app. He panicked, frantically trying to salvage the situation, but it was too late. Suddenly, the market had moved against him, and he was left counting his losses once again. The market had a mind of its own, and Raj found himself at the mercy of operational delays. The promising profits he had hoped for turned into frustrating losses. Feeling defeated, Raj began to question his approach to trading. That's when he stumbled upon the teachings of Ujjwal Jatwar, a seasoned trader known for his expertise in chartless positional trading. Raj decided to seek out Ujjwal's guidance in the hopes of finding a more sustainable and stress-free approach to trading. Ujjwal welcomed Raj with open arms, eager to share his wisdom. He explained that chartless positional trading focuses on holding positions for days and weeks with proper risk management and position sizing. Unlike intraday trading, which requires constant monitoring and quick decision-making, chartless trading allows traders to ride the full trend and book profits without the stress of constant buying and selling. In chartless trading, Ujjwal said, "We believe in the mantra market is 5% buying, 5% selling, and 90% relaxing. It's about patiently waiting for the right moment to trade, rather than being caught up in the chaos of intraday fluctuations." Raj, inspired by Ujjwal's wisdom, decided to adopt the chartless positional trading method. He started implementing the daily action plan provided by Ujjwal, focusing on the bigger picture rather than day-to-day fluctuations. With Ujjwal's guidance, Raj learned the art of waiting for the opportune moment to enter and exit trades, mitigating the impact of operational delays and app glitches. As Raj embraced the chartless approach, he noticed a significant transformation in his trading journey. The stress of constant monitoring and quick decision-making evaporated, replaced by a sense of calm and confidence. Raj began to ride the full trend, allowing his profits to accumulate over days and weeks rather than succumbing to the erratic movements of the intraday market. Ujjwal's mentorship played a crucial role in Raj's success. The mentor not only taught him the technicalities of chartless positional trading but also instilled a disciplined and patient mindset. Raj's newfound approach not only shielded him from the negative impacts of operational delays but also allowed him to flourish in the unpredictable world of the stock market. Word spread about Raj's remarkable turnaround, and soon, other traders sought Ujjwal's guidance to embrace the chartless positional trading method. The mantra of market is 5% buying, 5% selling, and 90% relaxing became a guiding principle for many aspiring traders. In the end, Raj's journey from the chaos of intraday trading to the calm of chartless positional trading serves as an inspiration for traders navigating the unpredictable waters of the stock market. With Ujjwal Jatwar's wisdom and the chartless approach, Raj not only found success in trading but also discovered the true essence of the market, a delicate balance between action and patience. If you also faced problems due to trading app glitches and operational delays, then please type yes in comment box, hit the like button and share and subscribe the channel for innovative trading solutions. Thank you for your time.